Thank you all so much for stopping by today. So, I don't know about y'all, and I want you to put it in the comments, but a lot of things that I used to do about 20 years ago in the garden, my body is telling on me. Heck, even 5 years ago, I'm like, okay, you need to get up and you need to position yourself correctly. So, put it in the comments if you're able to do some of the things that you used to do in the garden 5, 10, 15, 20 years ago, because I am not able to do those things. I am finding those things out. My body is telling on me. So stick around. I want to show you something that may be able to help. So let's go ahead and let's get started. Okay, so here is the thing, and I'm about to get up because I'm doing what I'm telling you not to do. So a lot of times I will come out here really quick and I will say, I'm just going to do this really quick. And I'll find myself squatting, or I'll find myself bending over at a 90-degree angle. And then 2 days later, because it does not hit me until about 2 days later, I will start to ache and I will say, what in the world is hurt? Why is my back hurting? Why are my knees hurting? And I have to like recap back, and I have to tell myself, okay, you did something you didn't have anything doing. You had something you had no business doing. Okay, so Garden Trend Store has sent us out something that I want to share with you today that can help us all when we're in the garden. I want to show you some of the features, and then make sure you stay till the end because we have a coupon code that you can use. So let me show you ways to protect yourself and to protect your body while you're in the garden. So here we have a multifunctional garden and kneeler seat. So you can either sit on it or you can kneel. And what I do like about it is that each side, instead of you trying to gather all your tools or going back and forth, getting them one by one, you stick all of your garden tools in here and you carry it out to where you're going to go. So this seat, it sits up to 330 pounds. And then what I like about it, seriously, y'all, it is very sturdy. Like when I sit on it, it's very, very sturdy. And then it has the function where it's like easy storage. So you do have to take these off right here. Like you have to take the two tool pouches off before you get ready to store it. But once you're ready to store it, all you have to do is you just push this in, and then the legs underneath fold so that it doesn't take up a lot of space. Now, this is perfect. You have to make sure that you're gardening at a level where all of this is like ergonomical for you, but it is perfect to sit down. Now, I'm going to be honest with y'all because I told y'all we always do product reviews, and I always am honest with you with anything that I try, because if you know that I've tried it out, then it's good, because I really test and try out different products. Now, what I did notice, and it's not a big deal, but if they ever like do a revision or do a 2022 or 2023 version, it does seat up to 330 pounds. Now, me, being the shape that I am, I would like for this seat to be just a little bit wider. I mean, it's not a big deal, but if I had to, like if someone were to ask me, what do you like about it or what would you do different, I would say make this just a little bit wider for my butt, for my booty, okay? I'm just being honest. And they sent this out so that we would give our honest opinion. But I mean, it's still comfortable. It doesn't hurt. But just to have like, just a little bit more room, that would be great. But here is the thing. When you're not using it as a garden seat, you go ahead and you flip it over, which I do like because I'm always kneeling down. So you flip it over and you just put your knees down, and so now it protects your knees. This is what you need. And like I say, this is very sturdy. And what I like about these two parts right here is sometimes as you get older, y'all comment below. I'm just telling you. I know a lot of younger people may laugh, but I'm just being honest because I used to laugh too. But when you get older, sometimes you need help getting up. And so this right here helps you to grasp. It helps you to grasp onto everything and kind of push yourself up, which is very good. Now, the only thing, like I said before, is you're going to have to take your tool pouch off of each side, and then if you want to convert it to a garden seat, or if you want to convert it to a garden kneeler, you'll have to take those tool pouches off. But this is really, really helpful when you're trying to get up off the ground. Okay, so again, if you have the right height of your garden beds, this is perfect so that you're able to still do garden maintenance while you are in the garden and just really at a comfortable position. And right here, you are able to protect your knees, all while having your garden tools with you right there where you don't have to keep going back and forth. So be sure to visit their website. I'll link it in the description, but it is www.garden-trend.store. And they have a lot of amazing things on their website, and they have been so gracious for all of our subscribers and viewers. You can use the coupon code HGT-Anna10 in order to get 10% off of the entire website. So make sure that you go and check them out. As always, thank you all so much for watching this video, and I hope you share this video with your family and your friends. If you're not a subscriber, we would absolutely love to have you as a subscriber, so make sure you tap the bell so that you can receive notification each and every time we upload a new video. Again, thank you all so much for watching, and until the next video, bye-bye.